As I've dived deeper into property tours and due diligence, I've uncovered a disturbing truth. Some operators are putting profit over people. I recently witnessed a family of 5, including 3 young children, living in appalling conditions: roach infested, water damage, mold, and damages. Despite the mother's plea for help since August 2023, the owner has done nothing. This is unacceptable. As multifamily operators and owners, we have a moral and business obligation to provide safe and habitable living conditions. It's not just about collecting rent. It's about caring for the people who call our properties home. By prioritizing tenants' well-being, we ensure consistent cash flow, a positive reputation, and a clear conscience. I urge all owners to take a proactive approach to maintaining their properties and put the needs of their tenants first. Together, let's create a better living environment for all. Can we say it to the person? Thank you so much. No, they shouldn't have done this to you guys.
They won't fix it either.
No, this is not good.
We got babies and stuff, you know?
They have a baby in the house.
Do you have a
Yes,
baby?
and they don't care.
They don't respond to you guys.
no. And then this from the bathroom. The bathroom, when I take a bath or a shower, it runs from this. That's why I don't have any furniture. Mine, it was real wholly furnished, and I didn't know it had roaches. So
Look at here.
yeah, it's all.
Look at all that power right there. That's the whole power roach.
Yeah, roaches everywhere. Is this roaches too?
Yes, that's the whole power.
It's a lie.
Yes.
Roaches.
Yeah, they dead. They're dead. Cause he sprayed them. That's what he sprayed.
Where did they come from? Where did they come from?
I don't know. He sprayed under the stove and everything. But you see, I had to, and I keep on complaining about it. They're not taking no action. The first landlord that we had, she was good at it. Yes.
No, this is not good for no. This is not good for your baby.
Now, what if-
Are you paying rent for this place?
$13.50. Yes.
For this?
Mm-hmm. Yes. That's what I said.
No, this is bad. No. This is not good. See like roaches.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
It's possible other units are experiencing the same thing, right?
Mhm.
Have you had anybody complain about it?
Yes, I have a couple people complaining. Everybody, it's a couple people that's around here that's complaining. The neighbors. I'm like, why we don't just get up and do something about it? But they say they went to some office or something like that.
Are they also complaining of roaches or leakages?
Yes. They complain of all this. Yes.
Wow, no, this is. How are you guys coping? Why don't you move out? Wow. Look at the roaches here too.
Yeah, and so the water that's leaking is all in right here.
What?
All right here.
Where's it leaking from? Where's the water leaking from?
I have no
Maybe
idea.
you cooking like.
But it's just like when I turn this on, it'll come from right here.
Pipe or
Yeah.
set, so.
And they still haven't. And then when I turn the shower on, it goes straight down to the kitchen on the counter.
Look at here. So it's going to be
Yes.
that mold soon.
And at first, you didn't see the wall on the left side, on the right side, the whole wall came. I got pictures and all of how the second day I moved here, the wall fell out.
And you did not.
Well, my situation kind of different. The second day I moved here,
And
the
you
wall
did-
fell out.
And you did not.
Well, my situation kind of different.
So, guys, I don't know. I've been to so many properties, but the one I just left right now, I've never seen that in my life. Please, before you put a property under contract, if you are not within that state, please invest in buying tickets. Fly down, or if you have boots on ground, people you trust, fly down,
and take a look at what exactly you are buying. So I was recently called to join a deal. Um, so, but they were about accepting the LOI today, so I decided that I'm going to leave everything and quickly go there and check it out. We went there, we were going around the property, and fortunately I saw a tenant. So I asked the tenant, "How are you? Do you like the place?" And coincidentally, he opened his door and I saw the house. Oh my god. The ceiling, the everything was, the house was flooded. Roaches was everywhere, on top of the wall, under the wall, in the appliances, everywhere. The house was infested, flooded. Oh my god. This is one of the reasons why due diligence is very important. Don't assume that because you took a property tour and they showed you one or two units means that the entire unit is that way. Definitely, they are going to show you the best of those units. The best. They won't show you the ones that have issues. And looking at the cost of repairs that will take whoever is going to buy that property to do, that's a lot of money. So please, guys, do your due diligence. When you're doing your due diligence, don't skip any units. Go around all the units. Ensure you see exactly the entire package of what you're buying. Go around there, because you might never know. And you might never know the expenses that you're going to incur. Because if one unit is going through such challenges, what is the probability that others will not have that challenge in some few months time? So please do your due diligence properly.